I recently learned something and it was so intriguing, and I feel like, oh no, let me post this thing out there. Okay, I don't know. Most people might know this, but because all these things are new to me, so I feel like there are some of people like me that does not know it. It is called lead generation, guys. Okay, so you can actually get people's phone number, people's address, where they work, and all of this online without knowing them, without seeing them. People you've never met before, their address, their email, and all that. I want to show us. I want us to go through it together. Okay. So the name of the tool I'll be using today is called Apollo. Not be that Apollo where they catch person for IU. So this one is a tool, right? If like say I go use this app for husband do. Hey, Olorun say. Okay, now so here is it, right? This is name. Now let's do small rehearsal. Let's feel like, okay, let me think about the name. Okay, let me say Michael. But that's not the purpose of this. So this is actually for business, all right? So let me say this person's name, the person we are looking for, let's say his name is Michael. Let's say we are looking for Michaels, right? Michael. So okay, so this is it. Now, for you now, when they find husband, if you are looking for husband, you can actually use this app to get people's contact and email and market yourself. And market yourself. Job title, let's say a doctor, right? Michael, doctor, right? Doctor. And you enter, right? Let me see. Okay, location. Let's say USA, right? USA. USA. Enter location. USA. Alright. You search. So let me see. It's giving me 7.2 thousand Michaels working as a doctor in USA, including their phone number. And now I will not be showing you people this one. I will be showing you people this one. So including their phone numbers and their email, right? And their company name. From here, we can send emails. You can send emails to them. No random emails though. So this is actually for business purpose, right? The purpose of this whole thing is, as a business owner, there's a lot of things you can do on this. I don't want to go into details to bore you, because there are a lot of things you can do with this particular tool. You can actually use this app to generate leads, and it's very, very simple.